Vancouver Island, and it is getting to be springtime, and I have got a garden started. Here is my starter garden, and you can see the problem I'm having with the flippin' gnats. They're everywhere in here. Now, if I was outside, I would be using neem oil. Look at them all. It's disgusting. Anyway, let's pull all this stuff out and take a look at it, and we'll go from there. My starts are looking good. I'm going to have a ton of marigolds when I put them out, and a bunch of peppers have come out, and they're looking fabulous. But the bugs are making me crazy. It feels like springtime. All right, let's have a look at the outdoor garden. I have daffodils and a bunch of other stuff coming up. I don't know what it is. I need to get that app this year to find out what I got coming on here. But look, these are flowers. Those are little flowers, little creeping flowers. Oh, what else do we got here? Tulips. I'll put this right in front of the tulips so the deer don't eat it. What else? Oh, look at my little lilacs. These are a dwarf lilac. Oh, and I gotta come out here and do some weeding. That's like a rose or something. Oh, there's some yarrow coming back. What else do we got here? More narcissus. More stuff in here. Trying to get some growth on those roses. Big ass weed here. You seen any growth on this? Oh, we are. Look at that. We cut this way back last year. It's got little pink shoots of growth everywhere. I might have killed my mint. I need to come out here and clip this all back. See if I get anything to come back. Oh, I got some live stuff down here, it looks like. Just needs some water. Oh, look, I have more daffodils. And these are my lilies. Here we go, backyard. What do we got going on here? Beautiful lilacs. Oh, let's get out here in the sun a little bit. What do we have coming back in the herb garden? We got our chives and our parsley. And let's see, I should have, that's a weed. I should have some lavender here. Oh, yeah, look, it's just starting to put some nice fresh leaves out too. Yay! Rosemary. Lamb's ear. Oregano. And look at my thyme bush. This sucker's huge. I need to come in here and harvest it. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of time. Whew. And sage. Sage is looking a little rough, but it'll come back. Smells so good. These are my blueberry bushes. I'm hoping to see some life out of them sometime soon. Oh, look at this. Look at this, look at this. It's growing. Yay! Look at that. Little bitty signs of growth on here too. No sign at all of my garlic. But look at this. There's weirdness going on here in my rhubarb. Great big bulbs. I think I'm gonna have to come out here and cut them off. I was gonna move this rhubarb, but I didn't get around to it. Oh, look at, can you see in there? I got some onions. Oh, got a few in there too. Onions. Oh, chickweed. Here we go with that again. I'm not harvesting it this year. Nothing but weeds here. There's some more chickweed. Ugh. And regular weeds. Yeah, I gotta come out here and do some digging. Planted peas and carrots in here. No sign of either yet. Look at my poor strawberries. They're just getting eaten by bugs. Last time I was out here, there was a ton of aphids on them, but they're getting eaten by slugs. You need to come out here with some nice slug bait and take care of that problem. Planted a bunch of garlic in here last fall, and I'm not seeing nothing come up, which is very disappointing. That means I'm not going to get any kind of a garlic harvest at all this year. And that makes me so sad. So sad. Nothing planted in here, but I'll come in here and dig out some stuff. Let's see if there's any. Oh, I didn't even look at the grapes in there. Let's look at the raspberries. Any sign of... No sign of life on them yet. Oh, look at this. This is my bleeding heart, I think. Oh, yeah, and there's the other one down there. So that's exciting. Today is March 27th, 2023. And this is what my garden looks like today. And let's look at these grapes. So, these are the two that I left. I left two nice big stalks growing. I'm not seeing, oh yeah, I'm starting to see some budding right down in here, I think. It's not quite warm enough yet, but yeah, and then I left these two on for here. And then I left a couple for next year. So, no sign of life yet, but oh, maybe we got a little bit of sign of life. I got a bug. We got a bug. We got any onions in here yet? Nope. Alrighty. And of course, I can't forget this grow room. And look at what I found. I got a laurel bay bush. Bay tree, bay bush. But this is where bay leaves come from. And I am super excited to have this. I have to do some research on it to see. I'm going to probably keep it in a pot because I don't want it to get too huge. But yeah, so I've got a couple of tomatoes. I'm only growing 2 tomatoes this year. I've got this Brandywine heirloom tomato, and then I have a cherry tomato over here. And what else do I have? Oh, I have some peppers that I've started, a couple of jalapenos and a bell pepper. I just watered these They're going to be going back down on that shelf in a bit. My flower that our friend got for us, I think it's I don't even know what it is. I'm so sad and pathetic when it comes to the names of what flowers are. Oh dear, here's another bell pepper here that I've started. So that's what's going on in the garden. And that is my garden. Well, actually, that was a few days ago because it's today, the 31st of March, and I'm going to get this up and posted. And if you've watched it all the way to the end, I really do appreciate you. And I hope that you subscribe. I was looking at some analytics the other day, and 94% of the people who watch my channel are not subscribed. So it would be marvelous to have that other 94% subscribed. So if you wouldn't mind, there's a little button down there and you can push it and hit the notifications. You'll know when I put out videos, which lately has not been too often, but I'm hoping to remedy that because I know if I want to be successful on YouTube, I need to be active on YouTube. And so here I am getting back into the activity. My gardening channel. So let's see. I'm going to talk about a couple of channels who I know that tomorrow have lives, including myself and my dear sweet friends, the Vineyard Chicks. Nisi over there on Freehandly Made over in Montana is celebrating her YouTube birthday, April 1st, and she's going to be going live so these are going to be my time, which is Pacific time when I talk about these because otherwise I'll get confused. Anyway, she's going live at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and she's going to be celebrating, like I said, 4 years on YouTube. So that is fantastic. And then Charles, dear sweet Charles from over there at Bushcraft Family, is going to be going live at 4 o'clock for his birthday, which April Fools, right? Could you imagine? The jokes you could pull with that one. Charles is going live, and he is going live at 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. And so I'll hope to see you there. I'm going to try and make all of these. Nisi, I'm I'm a night owl. If you know anything about me, you know that I'm a night owl, and yeah, 9 a.m. doesn't happen very often for me. Those are two of the channels that I recommend that you catch up with tomorrow. And I will hope to see you at our live, which is at 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. And it'll be me and the Vineyard Chicks, and we are going to be learning how to pour paint again. And this time we're going to use a little easier technique so that we can have better results. And we're going to do flip cups. So, and we're also going to be talking a little bit about color theory because there are some things that you can't do when you're painting this way that yeah, there's some things that you can and can't do. So we're going to talk a little bit about that, a little bit about color theory, and yeah, so that's going to be a hoot and a half. The girls I know, are really excited and looking forward to it. And I'm hoping, I can't wait to catch up on what they've got going on with their schooling and any plans they have, what they've got going on coming into spring with the animals. Are they getting any new babies this year? Oh, I'm curious. I have lots of questions for them. So anyway, come. I hope that you will join us. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free all day long. Oh, however, I do offer memberships, and so far I only have 2 members, and I love them dearly. Those are Vineyard Chicks and Gale Southern Living, and so I'm going to leave their links down below too, and I'm going to get them posted into something. I can't get members to show on my homepage until I get 8 members. So if you feel sorry for a girl or want to support me in my channel on YouTube, then it would be much appreciated. And I'll see you in special membership videos and maybe special membership chats too, where it can be just us. So Not that that's really ever a problem on my life with my 3 people that show up. That's going to be it for today. I hope that I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a fantastic evening. Take good care of yourself. I'll see you soon.